If you've ever made a mistake in Lucidchart and wanted to quickly step back, this video is going to show you exactly how to undo fast and easy. Whether you deleted the wrong shape, moved something by accident, or changed your diagram in the wrong direction, Lucidchart gives you a couple of simple ways to reverse your last action. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to undo changes with keyboard shortcuts and with the on-screen button, plus how to redo if you go too far. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The fastest way to undo in Lucidchart is with your keyboard. First, click anywhere on the canvas so Lucidchart knows the editor is active. This is important because the shortcut only works properly when the workspace has focus. Then on Windows, press Ctrl plus Z. If you're on a Mac, press Command plus Z. That will immediately reverse your most recent action. If you want to keep going back through several changes, just keep pressing the shortcut again and again. Lucidchart will step backward through your recent edits one at a time, which makes it really easy to recover from a mistake without searching through menus. Now, if you undo something and realize you went one step too far, don't worry. You can redo the action just as easily. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Y. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus Z. That will bring back the change you just removed. So if you're experimenting with shapes, connectors, text, or formatting, you can move forward and backward confidently without stressing about losing your work. If you prefer not to use keyboard shortcuts, Lucidchart also has an on-screen undo button. Look in the bottom right corner of the drawing canvas where you'll see the small undo arrow icon. Click that icon once to reverse your last action. Click it again to keep stepping backward through your edits. Right next to it, you'll also find the redo arrow, which lets you reapply a change if you undo too much. This is a great option if you're using a mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen and want a quick visual way to control your edits. A few extra tips can make undoing in Lucidchart even smoother. First, get in the habit of saving your work regularly, especially if you're making a lot of changes. Second, remember that undo works best when you catch mistakes right away, so don't wait too long after editing. Third, if something disappears or shifts unexpectedly, try a couple of undo steps before rebuilding anything manually. And if you're using Lucidchart for diagrams, flowcharts, or wireframes, learning undo and redo can save you a lot of time over the course of a project. So to quickly recap, use Ctrl plus Z on Windows or Command plus Z on Mac to undo. Use Ctrl plus Y on Windows or Command plus Shift plus Z on Mac to redo. Or click the undo and redo arrows in the bottom right corner of the canvas. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Lucidchart guide. See you in the next one.